Let's go to the code number 50, power xn. We'll see for this question, the n, it is from the integer minimum value to the integer maximum value. So if we multiply by x by n times, that will exceed the time limit. So for this question, we should do something more efficient. So I'm going to, here we have a number, and I'm going to have two variables for this kind of questions. One is called result, and another one will be temp. For this temp, I'm going to put this one as x at the beginning, and for the result, I'm going to put this as 1 at the beginning. So I will write two rules for this kind of question. That is, when this n is an even number, I'm trying to divide this n by 2 until it reaches 0. And if it is an even number, our result will keep the same. That is, every time we divide, I'll have a temp to equals the temp's power 2, which will become x power 2. And now we have n equals 5. If it is an odd number, I will have result equals result multiplied by temp. So this time the result is x power 2. And I would say every time temp will have the power 2, so it will be x power 4. And we divide again. Now we reach 2. Let's say 2 is an even number, so I'll keep the result the same. So it is x power 2. And also, every time we divide, this one will have a power 2, so now it's power 8. And now we reach 1. And 1, this is an odd number. Let's say if it is an odd, we are do result equals result multiplied by 10. That is x power 2 multiplied by x power 10. 8, that is x power 10. So and of course, we calculate the temp as x power 16. And next time n equals 0, to jump to our loop. So in this case, we'll see if we follow this kind of two rules, we are not calculate n times. But because we are trying to have the n keeping letter n keeping equal to 2 until n equals 0, so we'll have log n times calculations. So this is the optimal case, but that x is a positive number and n is a positive number. And for this question, x and n both can be negative. So, and also for n, of course, if n is negative, we can change it to n multiplied by -1 to get a positive number. But for n, yes, it will be sometimes it can be the integer minimal value. So if this one, we go to 2 power 31, it will more exceed the integer limit. So we need to convert this into a long number. So let's write code for this question. So we just return if n greater or equal to 0. I'm going to have a how helper function. I'm going to have x. I'll have a long variable. And otherwise, I'm going to use 1.0 divided by power helper x minus 1l multiplied by n. That is, we create a help function called power help. It's double. Let's have a long a. So so we are going to have a double result equals 1 and the temp equals x. Actually, while x does not equals 0, but first trying to see n doesn't equal to n to 0. I will have the, for example, have the n divided by equal to. And let's see, every time we do divide by 2, we have the temp variable always equal to temp multiplied temp. So we can do like multiple by temp. And for result, it depends whether n is odd or even. So I say if n multiplied by 2 equals 1, I'll have result equals results multiplied by 10. So at the end, we return the result. I have. So for this question, the time complexity will be log n space no actual is constant or 1.